Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I am in San Telmo in Buenos Aires, and yeah, I'm just checking out this area. It's like a really cool little area. It's got quite a bohemian type of vibe to it. It kind of reminds me of Shoreditch in London or the Northern Quarter in Manchester. You'll find like lots of murals painted on the walls. You'll find like different types of quirky little pop art exhibitions and galleries and stuff. Restaurants, bars. Yes, it's a cool little area. We'll check it out today. Yeah, this is just one of the many murals that they've got here. I'm on my way now to this little flea market that's open every Sunday, where they sell antiques and little trinkets and stuff, handmade goods. Yeah, it's nice. I think that's the market that I was talking about, the Sunday market. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of cobblestone roads here, which is really cool. I like that. It's got like a classic sort of vintage, old school vibe to it. And you'll see a lot of classic European sort of architecture as well. Classical European style. Wow, this is interesting. Busy Sunday today, but yeah, that was a really cool little market there. As you can see, lots of antique places. Antiques and second-hand shops and all that. Oh, it looks like another market up ahead, but this time it's like a street market by the looks of it. Street musician. Maradona's here. Yeah, this is a street market. Oh, look at this building here. Very vintage French looking architecture. So this is quite a famous street market that we're going to right now. Mate. Yeah, you can buy a lot of really cool handmade goods here. They make it all themselves, like rings, like jewelry, bracelets, bags, t-shirts, cups, loads of things, all handmade. A lot of second-hand goods here as well. Yeah, it's really cool. Oh, no, gracias.
Cerveza Juan.
Heladito de fruta, marciano, helado de fruta. Aprovechen los ricos helado de fruta, oiga.
Paisagem comum. Tem todo lugar que tem mais assim.
Mejor le vamos para allá, ¿no? Porque ahí están las casas.
Arte en cerámica.
Acá todavía no.
Con agua cada 7 días.
Ay, es verdad que te dijo, eso sí lo escuché.
That market was long. Can't believe how long that market was. It must have been like one of the biggest markets that I've ever been to. I would say there was one market in a city called Odessa in Ukraine, where I was actually born. There's a massive market that's bigger than that, but still, this is probably the second biggest market that I've ever been to. But yeah, a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of really interesting things there. Towards the end there, I saw some prints that I really liked, some really cool art prints. But yeah, if you're ever in Buenos Aires, definitely check it out. It's one of the things that you should do in Buenos Aires for sure. And we are now in Plaza de Mayo. Look how nice it is here. There's a subway station. So behind me there, that big pink building, it's called the Casa Rosada, which literally translates to the pink house. And it's basically the equivalent to what the White House is in the US. So this is where the president works. And as a result, oftentimes when you see protests, this is where all the protesters usually gather. Check this building out. Really intricate detailing. I wonder if the president's home today. Shall we find out? Shall we try and get an interview? And just straight ahead there is a National Bank of Argentina. Just look at the architecture there, incredible. So as you will have noticed, there's a lot of classical European architecture going on all around the city, mainly French inspired. One of the reasons for that is because in the late 1800s, Argentina was doing really well financially. So a lot of the elites at that time, they got some of the best architects in the world, which were all at the time based in places like France and Belgium. So they got a lot of the French and Belgian architecture to come over to Argentina and start building new buildings. So you can see a lot of that French and classical European inspirations all throughout the city, such as this building here. So some of those same French architects were also responsible for a lot of the classical European buildings that were built in the 1800s in New York as well. So if you see some architectural similarities between Buenos Aires and New York, that's why. They had a lot of the same architects during the 1800s, and I think they were probably responsible for this building that I'm looking at right now. It's called the Kirchner Cultural Center. They do a lot of performance art exhibitions there. They've got like a massive concert hall there. You can go and watch the theatre shows. Just lots of interesting things going on there.